Good morning, students. Today I will tell you class 10th, subject home science, chapter 18, fracture and sprain. Due to sudden accidents, collision. First, I want to know what is fracture, sprain, and what is the treatment of these accidents. During sudden accidents, collision or falling bones may be fractured or joints may be caused dislocated. Sometimes sprain also occur in various bones. Generally, in all these cases, the patient experiences intense pain and swelling occurs on the spot. Number one, fracture. When the bones of the body are broken into two or more pieces, it is called a fracture. It may be simple, compound, or complex in nature. The first aid treatment in such a case should be provided by fixing the bones in their original position. Afterwards, the patient is referred to orthopedic surgeon on proper treatment. Before taking to the hospital, efforts should be made to check the flow of the blood and the piece of the bone should be collected together. This to dislocation. When the joints of our body leave their original places due to a heavy impact or tension, it is called dislocation. It is also very painful and swelling occur on the spot. In such a case, proper consolation is needed to be given to the patient. What is the reasons of fracture? Here given some reasons. Direct reason, just when any person happen direct or bone and that breaks up, it is called direct reason. These reasons cause due to the following conditions: collision, failing, and direct reason. What is collision? Due to large rush on the road every moment and full of danger, and direct collision happens. To for failing, sometimes man fall downs from a tree or from any high places and gets fracture. Indirect reason, when the bone break on the other place that of injures, it makes indirect reason. The identification or diagnosis of fracture can be made on the basis of following symptoms. The fracture spot has pain, very pain. The spot of fracture gets swelling, shape of the most seems natural and ugly. The fracture spot or limbs become inactive. The patient moves if he is tried to brought in natural position. If the bones break near the skin to replies in granting sound on touching or pressing a bit on the place of fracture. Sometimes the ends of the bones go above each other. What is treatment? General treatment given by first aid, which is called first aid. Immediately impact first aid to the patient. Keep the patient on the same place and do not move the fracture spot. If he is unable to travel by anyone, convince, call the doctor or arrange to send him to the doctor. Remove the garments from the fracture spot. It is fracture in hand. Hang it with a string. Patient should be given complete rest and safe place. Give him treatment at once. If he is senseless, try atons to provide permanent treatment. Kinds of fracture. 7 types of fracture can be diagnosed on the following basis: fracture caused by injured or hurt, simple fracture, compound fracture, complicated fracture. Number 2, fracture caused by bone breaking. First, comminuted fracture. In this fracture, a bone is broken in many pieces. Dispersed fracture. In this fracture, the bones turn into small particles in powder having come under some heavy pressure or burden. Greek stick fracture. In the bones of small children, calcium and phosphorus are found in the quantity and therefore they are very tender and elastic. They never break but incline bend. Incline means bend like a green twig of tree. This is called raw breaking. Impacted fracture. When the end of the broken bone penetrate in each other, that is called impact fracture. First aid given in simple fracture. Simple fracture of a skull, it may two types. Number one, side crack of a skull. This brings swelling in the skull. Two, surface crack of a skull. The crack happens on a serious hurt. First aid. Ask the patient to lie on his chest and stomach, keeping on the back upper side, and help his head and shoulder from lower side. Move the head of one side. If the ear bleeding is seen, get his ear downward. Put ice bandage on head. Keep watch on patient. Do not allow him to stand or rise up. Arrange at once for medical treatment. Number 2, fracture of forearm. The forearm has two bones from elbow to wrist. On injury, one or both ones can be cracked. First aid treatment of forearm fractures. Keep the hand turning slowly on the stomach at right angle. Take triangle pad and keep it the armpit. Keep the splint and front and the other inside and tie the bandage tightly. Keep cotton or cloth before using a splint. Jaw fracture. The jaw has two bones and mostly lower jaw break. The reasons of which is directly breakage. Symptoms: difficulty in speaking. Blood or saliva comes out of the mouth. Intolerable pain in self in opening the mouth. The teeth get unevenness. If the jaw is moved, grating sound may be heard. First aid treatment in jaw fracture. Let the patient sit at gaze. Don't allow him to speak. To bring the jaw in real position, keep pressed in the to upward. Prepare a thin triangle bandage and keep it under the chin. Take the other bandage like the same and tie in behind the neck, passing through the upper side of the chin. Just given in your picture. Then the both of different ends with the ends of head and knot them. If the patient feels vomiting, the bandage should be opened and tied again after vomiting. Collarbone fracture. Symptoms: the head of the side becomes inactive of the collarbone is broken. First aid: loose the tight garments of the patient or put off them. Make a pad of cloth and keep it on the wounded collarbone. Turn the hand from elbow and tie St. John's bandage. Finger fracture. Keep the palm and splint on the palm. Make wide bandage of triangular bandage. Keep the bandage finger from left and fold it. Then turn to opposite side. Upper arm fracture. First aid treatment to upper arm fracture. Let the patient sit at ease. Turn the forearm at elbow and right angle and keep it on the stomach. Hang the forearm in a small sling. Take two small split. Keep them inside the outside of the arm in a tie to piece trouble. First aid treatment in thigh fracture. Let the patient lie back straight the adjust. Keep a splint stick of scales from the waist to feet and them 6-7 places using separate bandage. Then take him to the doctor or structure or coach. Kneecap fracture. It is very dangerous, sometimes it take life. In trouble pain, symptoms: swelling around the bone, the leg cannot be moved. First aid. Let the patient sit oblique and With your help, the knee leg straight. Keep some thigh thing 4-5 centimeter high under the heel from high to keep splint and tie them with two bandages. Roll up the tired third bandage round the knee and turning to opposite direction. Bring under the knee and then pass over the knee. Foot fracture. There is a number of small bones. Treatment. Puff off shoes at once. Roll up bandage. Then bring both the foot turning opposite the side and tie knot. Ribs fracture. In simple breaking of ribs only, the bones break. No other limbs are harmed. Symptoms. Difficulty in breathing. Swelling come ribs. Sometimes the patient become senseless. First aid. Let the patient such a way that the inclination of body should be towards injured part. Put off these garments. Keep the middle part of bandage on his ribs and tie knot. Tie two bandages adjacent. Do not let the patient move. Both the knot should be tied at one side only. Hang the arm of injured side in the big sling. Uh, Thank you, children. I will tell you in next class about dislocation.